darlings, this is our fraction order Edpuzzle quiz. Make sure you are an expert on ordering fractions from least to greatest, and you'll also want to review natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, and integers. You can do this on the copy of class notes or whatever notes you have. You may not use your notes during this Edpuzzle, but you can look at them real quick before we really get started. Then, go ahead and check that you agree with the academic integrity statement. I have neither given nor received any unauthorized help on this assignment. That means you may not use friends or family, you may not Google any websites, and you may not use any notes. Make sure you have a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. This is a picture of a fraction. So what fraction does this picture represent? Turn the fraction 3/5 into a decimal. Turn the fraction 10/4 into a decimal. Which fraction is bigger, 3/4 or 7/9? Put these three fractions in order from least to greatest. The fractions are 7/8, 13/17, and 4/9. Click all of the options that describe the fraction 3/4. Click all of the options that describe the fraction 12/3. A loaf of bread. We're going to bake for the holidays. Aren't you excited? So one loaf takes 6 cups of flour, 1/8 of a cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of yeast, a tablespoon of salt, and 1/4 stick of butter. We're going to make 3 loaves for the holiday. So go ahead and write down how much of each ingredient you need. On the next question, click the option that shows the appropriate amounts of the ingredients that you'll need. Getting a little bit more challenging is the yeast. How much yeast do you need for 3 loaves of bread? So make sure you've written down how much of each ingredient you need, because then you look in your pantry. And in your pantry, you have 20 cups of flour, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 7 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1/2 a stick of butter in the fridge, obviously. And so, you know what you need for those 3 loaves, and you see what's in your pantry, so it's a greater than, less than problem. Make me a grocery list of what I need to purchase at the store. So that's your level 8 question. Is it a bit challenging? Hopefully you did an awesome job on this. Have a great holiday.